Want to effortlessly capture leads and supercharge your email marketing directly from your WordPress site? Let's dive into embedding your Mailerlite forms in WordPress. First, the easiest method. Using the official Mailerlite plugin, head to your WordPress dashboard. Then click on Plugins and add new search for Mailerlite. Find the official Mailerlite plugin and click Install Now. Then activate. Now, connect your Mailerlite account. You'll likely need your Mailerlite API key, which you can find in your Mailerlite account settings. Under Integrations, paste the key in the plugin settings and save. Alternatively, for more control, let's use HTML code. In Mailerlite, open the form you want to embed and grab the HTML code. Back in WordPress, edit the page or post where you want the form. Switch to the text editor, paste the HTML code, and update or publish your page. Last, for sidebar or footer forms, use WordPress widgets. Go to Appearance, then Widgets, find a text widget and drag it to your desired widget area. Paste the HTML code from your Mailerlite form into the text widget, save, and that's it. You now know 3 ways to embed your Mailerlite forms in WordPress. Pick the method that best suits your needs and start growing your email list today.